Going through your bank isn't your only option when transferring money overseas. At The Currency Shop, we're here to help you decide what's best for you by reviewing all the major money transfer companies so you don't have to. There are faster, cheaper, and easier alternatives, and TorFX is one of them. TorFX is a privately owned British company listed in 2008 and 2010 in the Sunday Times Virgin Fast Track 100 as one of the UK's fastest growing private companies. Unlike most banks and other international money transfer companies, TorFX doesn't charge any direct fees whatsoever and has exceptional exchange rates for amounts over $100,000. Depending on the recipient country and method of payment, your money should reach its destination just 1 to 2 business days after verifying your ID and beginning your transfer. You can trade online or over the phone with support staff available 24/7 to answer any of your questions or concerns. TorFX is a much cheaper option than using your bank. Compared to companies like TransferWise and OFX, they're particularly good for larger transfers because there are excellent exchange rates on amounts over $100,000. What really sets them apart is their exceptional over-the-phone customer service, which makes them an ideal choice for anyone who prefers dealing with a person rather than a website. For more information about transferring money abroad, check out our website and other videos. We love hearing from you guys, so if you have any queries or feedback, leave a comment below. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It'll help us out a lot.